Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to talk a bit about Toluna and tell you a bit about what it is and how you can make money from it. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a like and a comment below. So let's get started. Once you are logged in, you will actually start here. That will be the front page here. So there is like a row here where you can see like the surveys that are available in different content. If you scroll down that other members have posted, that's a good way to see what surveys are available, what overview are available. But you can also up here, there is a survey, and if you go to survey center, then you get a little bit better overview of all the surveys that are currently available. You can see how much so you get for doing the surveys and what the topic is. Once you click, you will also have an idea about how long it will take, so you can decide before doing it. And then if you go back to the front page here, this is the main way series, is the main way to earn points that can be then exchange it into money. But there are also other ways. It is also a community where you have a possibility to interact with all members, and there is like, for example, polls here. You can create very different opportunities for people if you want to make a short poll or ask a question or share something about a certain topic or what they call somebody where people can state their opinion very easily. You can do like two topics towards each other or against each other, and it could be like apples, oranges, or whatever. It is up to you, and all this is content so you can interact with each other. And also every month there will be the best content creators will be rewarded with an amount of points, and there is also competition straight without the months. And you can see once you log in up here, it will be like a little number up here what the current contest is, so it can be a way to make a bit of extra points, and it can also be quite fun way to participate and interact with other people in the community. Then once you get points, you can go to the reward center up here, and there you can just select whatever. If it is like a paper, you can choose that, or you can choose different products, or about just depending on what your preferences are. One more thing that they to learners office here is called test products. That means that you have that chance to sign up to get to test some products, and if you test them, you get it also for free, and then you just have to send some feedback. So that can be a pretty cool way to get to test some new products and get them for free. Yes, that's just a quick tool of Toluna. So now you have a short idea what you can do on this site and what it offers and how you can make money on it. I hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Please stay safe and goodbye.